Hi everyone. Today let us know about methods of cooking. This is part 2. Types of moist heat cooking methods. Moist heat cooking, under that boiling, simmering, poaching, blanching, steaming and pressure cooking. First, boiling. Boiling is the rapid vaporization of a liquid which occurs when a liquid is heated to its boiling point. The temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the pressure exerted on the liquid by the surrounding atmosphere. Advantages. Boiling is a safe and simple method of cooking. Also, the food does not get charred. It is suitable for large-scale cooking. Boiled food is also digested easily. Disadvantages. While boiling, water-soluble nutrients are lost if the water in which food is boiled is discarded. Second, simmering. When foods are cooked in a pan with a well-fitted lid at temperature just below the boiling point, that is 82 to 99 degrees Celsius of the liquid in which they are immersed, this process is known as simmering. It is a useful method when foods have to be cooked for a long time to make it tender, as in the case of cheaper cuts of meat, fish, cooking custard, kheer, vegetables, and carrot halwa. This method is also employed in making soups and stocks. Advantages. Foods get cooked thoroughly. Scorching or burning is prevented. Losses due to leaching are minimum. Disadvantages. There is loss of heat-sensitive nutrients due to long period of cooking. Takes more time and more fuel are required. Third, poaching. This involves cooking in minimum amount of liquid at a temperature of 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, that is, below the boiling point. Foods generally poached are eggs, fish, and fruits. For poaching eggs, the addition of little salt or vinegar to the cooking liquid lowers the temperature of coagulation. Eggs get cooked quickly by poaching. Advantages. Very quick method of cooking. Easily digestible since no fat is used. Disadvantages. It is bland in taste. Water-soluble nutrients may be leached into water. Fourth, blanching. Blanching is scalding vegetables in boiling water or steam for a short time. It is typically followed by quick, thorough cooling in very cold or ice water. Blanching stops enzyme actions which otherwise cause loss of flavor, color, and texture. Advantages. Lower capital cost, better energy efficiency, uniform treatment. Disadvantages. Leaching of minerals and nutrients such as vitamins. Produce effluents with large biological oxygen demand. Risk of contamination by thermophilic bacteria. Fifth, steaming. Steaming is a moist heat method of cooking that works by boiling water which vaporizes into steam. It is the steam that carries heat to the food, cooking it. Unlike boiling food submerged in water, with steaming, the food is kept separate from the boiling water but comes into direct contact with the hot steam. Advantages. Steaming is highly advantageous as it preserves the natural shape as well as the nutrients present in the food. Steaming requires no fat and is hence generally accepted as a healthy method of cooking. Disadvantages: steaming is that it is a slow method of cooking. 6th, pressure cooking. Pressure cooking is the process of cooking food under high pressure steam, employing water or water-based cooking liquid in a sealed vessel known as pressure cooker. This raises the internal pressure and permits high cooking temperatures. Advantages: foods retain most of their nutrients and are tastier. Saves energy, saves time in preparing meals. The kitchen is cooler. Less cleaning is required. Pressure cooking can also be used to preserve food. Disadvantages: many need some practice at the beginning. Pressure cookers can be expensive. You can't check if your food is ready while cooking. You can't adjust the flavor during the process of cooking. You can't look inside, only suitable for certain kinds of dishes. Thank you for watching.